we do have some isolated sprinkles, mainly over in Crittenden County, north of West Memphis, and maybe a shower there along the Marshall and Benton County lines in North Mississippi. But all in all, folks, not a lot of rain out there, and we aren't expecting a lot of rainfall overnight tonight. We're going to call it a 20% chance through about 8 p.m., and then we're going to be dry for the rest of the night. Partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, and it's going to stay warm. Temperatures only falling down to the mid-70s for our lows tonight, so it's going to be one of those muggy summertime nights. Tomorrow, 91 degrees, and if you're looking for some rain to cool you down, you might get lucky tomorrow. We've bumped the rain chances up just a little bit. Now a 40% chance of some of those afternoon showers and storms. Everybody else, if you're not seeing rain, you're just going to stay warm, though. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Tonight, everybody's dry, clouds clearing out as we get closer to sunset, and should be a pretty nice night. By 10 p.m., we're looking mostly clear. Again, those temperatures falling down into the mid-70s. Now, tomorrow morning, you will notice we've got the chance of maybe some sprinkles firing up in the early morning, but a better chance of storms as we go past lunchtime and into the evening. So notice by 1 p.m., some storms out there, and then maybe another wave of storms by about 6 or 7 p.m. tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. Keep the umbrella handy. But of course, the big story we're continuing to track is what's happening right now down in the Gulf. Hurricane Ida, it's got that nasty look, folks. It is wrapping around storms around the center of circulation. Watch right at the end, that little burst of darker red. That is some storm activity firing up right around the center, which is exactly where the storm wants to fire up the storms to continue to intensify. So not a good sign at all. Winds right now 105 miles an hour. There is literally nothing to stop this thing. I wish I had better news. It's going to ramp right up to a Category 4 dangerous hurricane before making landfall in southern Louisiana tomorrow. 130 mile an hour winds, and that's going to affect places like New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and everywhere in between. And then it's going to follow right up the Mississippi River, right into our area by Monday night and Tuesday. So as far as impacts go here locally, gusty winds and heavy rain, that's going to be the first thing you notice. Notice 80 mile an hour wind gusts in Baton Rouge by tomorrow evening. We finally get some action here by late Monday night and early Tuesday morning. This is 6 a.m. Tuesday. Rain for everybody. Wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. And with the saturated ground, possible flash flooding, it doesn't take much to knock down some trees and branches and possibly cause some power outages. So just keep that in mind. By Tuesday afternoon and evening, though, the storm starts to move out. Take a look at these rainfall totals. Nearly a foot of rain in Baton Rouge and New Orleans. And we could even see 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches of rain right here in the Mid-South, with heavier amounts the farther south you go into North Mississippi. That's why we've got a flash flood watch in effect for areas in North Mississippi. It's likely that that watch is going to be expanded. Everybody's got the chance to see some flash flooding with the system. Again, that's late Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon, about a 24-hour window. Best chance to see rough weather is going to be late Monday night into early Tuesday morning, though. Heavy rain, flash flooding, gusty winds, all possible. Cannot rule out a tornado, especially in North Mississippi. Those hurricanes are already spinning, so it's easier to spin up those little brief tornadoes. Again, that's Monday night. We'll be watching that carefully. Either way you dice it, very rainy Monday and Tuesday, but nice for the rest of the week. Sunshine returns Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. Highs not quite as hot. That's one positive of this hurricane. We're only going to be in the mid to upper 80s through the weekend. Now, of course, Local 24 News is tracking the latest developments and the impact Ida's going to have right here in the Mid-South. You can stay in the know with the latest news on the storm while you're on the go by downloading our Local 24 News app. It's free in the App Store. Local 24 News at 6 is back after this quick break. Stay with us.